press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
And the next concept is kinds of quadrilaterals. Kinds of quadrilaterals. First one, trapezium. Trapezium is a kind of quadrilateral with a pair of parallel lines. So trapezium allu kudanu 4 sides and 4 vertices irutte. It is a kind of quadrilateral with a pair of parallel lines. Let ABCD be a trapezium where CD is parallel to AB. Line CD is parallel to AB. So trapezium kudanu one kind of quadrilateral, adralli one pair of parallel lines irutte. This is what you called as trapezium. And the second one, kite. Kite is a special kind of quadrilateral which have a parallel sides. Kite is a special kind of quadrilateral. Let ABCD be a kite. So kite alli diagonals bisect each other. AC and BD are diagonals which bisect each other. So in kite, AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to DC. Adjacent sides galu kite alli equal irutte and diagonals bisect each other. Here AB is parallel to AD and another side BC parallel to CD or DC. Kite is a special kind of quadrilateral where diagonals bisect each other. So diagonals bisect agutte and innondu adjacent sides equal agirutte. AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to CD or DC. Next one. And kite alli diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular anta helidre when two lines meet at a point they form a right angle triangle or they form a 90-degree angle. And the next kind is parallelogram. Parallelogram, the name itself suggests a parallel lines. So parallelogram alli name alle ide which are parallel lines. Let ABCD be a parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Diagonals bisect each other and opposite angles are equal. Here AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite angles are equal. Angle B is equals to angle D and another opposite angle, angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A is equals to angle C. Next, opposite sides are parallel and opposite sides are equal. AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to CD. So opposite angles are equal, opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are equal. AD is equals to BC, AB is equals to CD. So in parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are equal, and opposite angles are equal. When diagonals bisect each other in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other at a parallelogram. Let this point be O. So parallelogram alli diagonals bisect adaga OC is equal to OA, OC is equals to OA, and OB is equals to OD. OB is equals to OD. So diagonals bisect each other. Bisect agodu andre artha which cuts into two equal parts. So in parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. OC is equals to OA, OB is equals to OD. Opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are equal, and opposite angles are equal. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಲೋವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ದಟ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. Congruency of a triangle. So when do we say the two triangles are congruent? So triangles ಇದೆ, ಅದೆರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? If the two triangles are congruent, if they have equal sides and equal angles. ಯಾವುದೋ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನ angles and sides equal ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ we call it as a congruent triangles. For example, let ABC and PQR be two triangles. So if we want to say these two triangles are in congruence, then angle A must be equal to angle P, angle B must be equal to angle Q, angle C must be equal to angle R, and AB must be equal to PQ, AC must be equal to PR, and BC is equals to QR. If these conditions satisfy, we call it as these two triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. We denote that as triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. So ಇದೆರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 3 types. S congruence, SAS congruence, ASA congruence. What do you mean by SSS congruence? Side, side, side. Consider two triangles ABC and PQR. So SSS property says that side, side, side. So ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನು 3 sides equal ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ we call it as triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Condition SSS congruency. When AB is equals to PQ, BC is equals to QR, and AC is equals to PR, we call it as triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR since they are SSS congruency. Similarly, SAS congruency. In these two triangles, if any two sides and an angle is equal, then we call it as two triangles are in congruence with SAS property, side angle side property. So ಇದೆರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ and one angle equal ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ then we call it as these two triangles are in congruency. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ, ಎ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪಿ ಆರ್, ಎನಿ ಟೂ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್, let angle A is equals to angle P, or angle B is equals to angle Q, or angle C is equals to angle R. ಸೊ SAS ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎನಿ ಟೂ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ದೋಸ್ ಟೂ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸಿ ವಿತ್ SAS ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆರ್ SAS ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ASA, angle side angle. In any two triangles, if any two angles and the side is equal, then we call it as those two triangles are in congruence. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಎರಡು ಆಂಗಲ್, angle B is equals to angle Q, angle C is equals to angle R, and ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ angle AB is equals to angle PQ, or angle side BC is equals to side QR, side AC is equals to side PR. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಟೂ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ASA ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. SAS ಸೈಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸೈಡ್, SAS ಸೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಟೂ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್, ASA ಟೂ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲ್ತೀರ ನೀವು, ಅಂದರೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್, ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್, ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. Consider two parallel lines and a transversal. AB and CD be two parallel lines. EF be a transversal. Then these two angles are called as alternate internal angles ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. And these two angles are called as alternate internal angles. So ಇದು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ the angles which are in Z shape. So these two angles are called as alternate internal angles ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ವರ್ಸಲ್ ಲೈನು ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಝೆಡ್ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. Vertically opposite angles, vertically opposite angles. When two line segments bisect each other at a point. So ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟು ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ the angles which are formed as known as vertically opposite angles. These angles are known as vertically opposite angles, and similarly these angles. These angles are known as vertically opposite angles. When two line segments bisect each other, then they form vertically opposite angles. The last one is adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. The angles formed at a single vertex or angles formed at a single side are known as adjacent angles. So ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ then these two angles are known as adjacent angles. So ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Let ABCD be a parallelogram. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ adjacent sides ಯಾವುದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Angle A and angle B are adjacent angles. The angles which are in same side or angle B and angle C and angle D and angle A are adjacent angles. And the sum of adjacent angles are equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B is equals to 180. Angle B plus angle C is equals to 180. Angle C plus angle D is equals to 180, or angle D plus angle A is equals to 180 degree. Next is property of a parallelogram. Property of a parallelogram. Prove that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So parallelogram property ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು, in parallelogram opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. So now we have to prove that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Consider a parallelogram. Name it as ABCD. ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಥಿಯರಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 3 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಗಿವನ್, ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್. ಸೊ ಗಿವನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಿಗರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೇನು ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಸೊ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ABCD is a parallelogram. We know that ABCD is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and opposite sides are equal. So AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD, and another one is BC parallel to AD. So next, to prove, what we have to prove? We have to prove that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ opposite angles ಯಾವ್ದು? Angle A is equals to angle C, angle B is equals to angle D. We have to prove that angle A is equals to angle C and another one angle B is equals to angle D. So we have to prove that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Next, proof. So ಒಂದು diagonal ಅನ್ನು bisect ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ನಾವು. Let AC be a diagonal let this be 1, 2, 3 and 4. A ಇಂದ C ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಆಗಿ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿ 1, 2, 3 and 4. ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ parallelogram is divided into 2 equal parts and we can see that ABC is one triangle, CDA is another triangle. And ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ alternate angles are equal. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ alternate angles ಯಾವ್ದು? Angle 2 is equals to angle 1. These two are alternate angles. Angle 3 is equals to angle 4. These two are alternate angles. So Z shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. This is angle 2, and this is angle 1. These two are alternate angles, and this angle and this angle, angle 3 and angle 4 are alternate angles. So alternate angles are always equal. So we can write it as angle 2 is equals to angle 1 or angle 1 is equals to angle 2. So reason barita hogtira, alternate interior angles or alternate angles. Alternate angles. In a one pair of alternate angles is angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Reason alternate angles. So ivaga ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC and triangle CDA. So in triangle ABC and triangle CDA. In triangle ABC and triangle CDA. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ already ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, angle 1 is equals to angle 2 and angle 3 is equals to angle 4. So two angles are equal. ಎರಡೂ ಸೈಡಿಗೂ AC is equals to AC common side. So AC is equals to AC, reason common side. When two pair of angles are equal and one side is equal, we can call it as two triangles are congruent because of ASA property. In triangle ABC and triangle CDA, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. ASA property, angle side angle property. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Angle 3 plus angle 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ angle C ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೆರಡೂ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ C. When we add angle 1 plus angle 4, we'll get angle A. So angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to angle C, and angle 1 plus angle 4 is equals to angle A. ಇವಾಗ angle 1 is equals to angle 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Next angle 3 is equals to angle 4 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So we can conclude that angle A is equals to angle C. Therefore angle A is equals to angle C. Similarly angle B is equals to angle D. So we have to prove that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So given ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ABCD is a parallelogram and another one AB is parallel to CD, BC is parallel to AD. So opposite sides of a parallelogram are in parallel. Next to prove, we have to prove that angle A is equals to angle C and angle B is equals to angle D. So proof ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. AC is a diagonal. So diagonal ಆದಮೇಲೆ we get two triangles, that are ABC is one triangle and CDA is another triangle. So triangle form ಆದಮೇಲೆ 1, 2, 3 and 4 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸನ್ನು ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಆಗಿ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. Alternate angles, angle 1 is equals to angle 2 and angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Alternate angles are always equal. So angle 1 plus angle 4 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ will get angle A. Angle 3 plus angle 2 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ will get angle C. So AC is a common side for these two triangles from ASA property. When two angles and the side is equal in any two triangle, then we call it as those two triangles are in congruence. So triangle ABC and triangle CDA are congruent. Therefore angle B is equals to angle D and angle A is equals to angle C. Next we'll start with exercise. Exercise 3.3. Given a parallelogram ABCD, complete each statement along with the definition or property used. First one is AD is equals to, we know that in parallelogram opposite sides are parallel and opposite sides are equal. Here AD is equals to BC, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. AD is equals to BC, reason opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Second one, angle DCB is equals to angle BAC. Angle DCB is equals to angle DAB, reason opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So DCB must be equal to BAD or DAB. So angle C is equals to angle A. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So reason sari barita hogi. Next one, OC is equals to, OC must be equal to OA because diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So bisect each other in the sense they can divide into two equal parts. So OC is equals to OA. Reason, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Next one, DAB plus CDA is equals to, DAB plus CDA andra angle A plus angle D. So angle A and angle D are adjacent angles. So adjacent angles in a sum yavagunu 180 degree irutte. So angle DAB plus CDA is equals to 180 degree. So adjacent angles in a sum yavagu 180 degree irutte aru kottirodu angle A plus angle D. So these two are adjacent angles. So angle A plus angle D must be equal to 180 degree. AD is equals to BC. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal and opposite sides of parallelogram are parallel to each other. Angle DCB is equals to, opposite angles of parallelogram are always equal. So DCB is equals to BAD. OC is equals to OA. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So OC is equals to OA. Similarly, OB is equals to OD. Angle DAB plus angle CDA. Angle A and angle D are adjacent angles. Sum of adjacent angles is equals to 180 degree. So angle DAB plus angle CDA is equals to 180 degree. Next one, consider the following parallelograms. Find the values of the unknown x, y, z. ABCD is a parallelogram where angle B is 100 degree so we have to find X, Y and Z. So first parallelogram properties recall ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. We know that angles of a parallelogram, opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ opposite angles ಯಾವುದು? Angle B must be equal to angle D alva. Opposite sides are angles are equal. We know that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Therefore, angle B must be equal to angle D. These two are opposite angles, so angle B must be equal to angle D. So, Y is equals to 100 degree. So, angle B 100 degree anta heli kottidare. So, Y is equals to 100 degree. Next, we have to find X and Z. So, X athwa Z iderdalli yaad find out madidru nimige equal barutte. X and Z are opposite angles, so X ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೋ Z ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಬೇಕು. So A and B are adjacent angles, B and C are adjacent angles, C and D are adjacent angles and D and A are adjacent angles. So ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಎರಡು angles ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. So reason ಏನು adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Angle B and angle C are adjacent angles. So, angle B is 100 degree plus angle C is X is equals to 180 degree. So, transpose 100 to right hand side. X is equals to 180 minus 100. So, X is equals to 180 minus 100 is 80 degree. When X is 80 and Z is equals to 80, angle A is equals to angle C. Reason opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So, Z is equals to 80 degree. Z must be equal to 80 degree. So, B is opposite to D, angle B equals to angle D, so Y is equals to 100 degree aitu. Angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree, reason adjacent angles. So, 180 minus 100 is 80, X is equals to Z. So, X is equals to 80 degree and Z is equals to 80 degree. Second one, so name ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. Let ABCD be a parallelogram. Angle A is equals to 50 degree. Given angle A is equals to 50 degree. So, angle A 50 degree ಆದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ opposite side ಇದು ಕೂಡ 50 degree ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ Z ಅನ್ನೋದು exterior angle ಆಗಿದೆ. Next, we have to find Y here. Angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. Reason adjacent angles of a parallelogram. Angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. Reason adjacent angles. angle A is 50 plus angle B is Y is equals to 180. Next, Y is equals to 180 minus 50. So, Y is equals to 130 degree. Y is equals to 130 degree bantu. Ivaga angle B is equals to angle D. Reason, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So, angle B is equals to angle D. Angle B is 130 degree, angle D is 130 degree. Therefore, X is equals to 130 degree. So, reason baritira ನೀವು opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So, next Z. So, angle Z is equals to angle Y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? Reason ಏನು? Alternate angles, angle Z and angle Y and angle Z are alternate angles. So, Z shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ angle. So, these two are alternate angles. Angle Z is equals to Y. Z is equals to Y. Reason, alternate angles. Therefore, Z is equals to 130 degree. So, A 50 degree ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, Y ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? adjacent angles, angle A plus angle B is equals to adjacent angles. ನೀವು angle A plus angle D ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Those two are also adjacent angles. 180 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 50 ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 130 degree. So, opposite angle Y is equals to X, so X is equals to 130 degree and Y is equals to Z. Reason, alternate angles. So, 130, Z is 130 degree. Next one. Next one is Z. Let this be ABCD and this point be O. So, ನೀವು ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ABCD and this point be O ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Next, we have to find X, Y and Z. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ when angles are perpendicular to each other, so ಎರಡು diagonals, when diagonals are perpendicular to each other, ಎರಡು diagonals perpendicular ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ they form a right angle or they are 90 degree. So, here X is equals to 90 degree. X is equals to 90 degree. Reason, diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So, X is equals to 90 degree. Next, we have to find Y and Z. In triangle BOC, we can see that BOC is a triangle. In triangle BOC. So, angle sum property of a triangle, when we add those three angles, we will get 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle B plus angle O plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. So, angle B is Y plus angle O is X, angle C is 30. is equals to 180 degree. Angle x is 90, so y plus 90 plus 30 is equals to 180 degree. 90 plus 30, 120. So y is equals to 180 degree minus 120. So y is equals to 60 degree. So y ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ BOC. y plus x plus 30 is equals to 180 degree. ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ರೀಸನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. Angle sum property of a triangle. So y plus x is 90 degree, 90 plus 30 is equals to 180, so y is equals to 60. Next, z is equals to can we say that angle y is equals to z? Because these two angles are alternate angles. So ಇದೆರಡು alternate angles ಅಲ್ವಾ? y is equals to z. Reason alternate angles. Alternate angles are always equal. So z is equals to 60 degree. So x 90 degree bantu because diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So y find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. 3 ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸಮ್ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ y is equals to 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ y 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ y is equals to z because alternate angles. So z is equals to 60 degree. Let this be ABCD. ಸೊ ಇದು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಸಿ. ರೀಸನ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ರೀಸನ್ adjacent angle. So adjacent angles is equals to 180 degree. So 180 degree ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಿ angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ angle X ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಝೆಡ್ನ ನೀವು ಇದು ಯಾವ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ adjacent angles. The last one, this be x let this be ABCD. ABCD be a parallelogram. Angle A is equals to angle C. Reason opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So y is equals to 112 degree. So angle A is equals to angle C. Reason opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Parallelogram are equal. So y is equals to 112 12 degree. So next we have to find x and z. So x and z are alternate angles. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ z ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 40 plus z ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಝೆಡ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ in triangle BCD, there are two triangles here, triangle BCD and triangle BAD. So in triangle BCD, so BCD another triangle ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ triangle ನ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. Next in triangle BCD there are three angles in a triangle. So 40 plus y plus x is equals to 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property of a triangle. 40 plus y plus x is equals to 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property. Angle sum property. Forty plus y is 112 plus x is equals to 180 degree. So 112 plus 40, 152 plus x is equals to 180 degree. So 152 na transfer ಮಾಡಿ x is equals to 180 minus 152. So 0 minus 2 becomes 10, 10 minus 2 8, and this is 7, 28 degree. 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, so 28 degree. X is equals to 28. If x is 28, z must be equal to x. Reason, alternate angles. X and z are alternate interior angles. Therefore, x is equals to z, that is equals to 28 degree. Reason, alternate angles. So angle A is equals to angle C. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So angle y is equals to 112 degree. Next, z and x are alternate angles. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. BCD triangle ಅಲ್ಲಿ 40 plus y plus x is equals to 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property of a triangle. 40 plus y plus x is equals to 180, y is 112 degree. So 40 plus 112 plus x add ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x is equals to 28 degree. So x and z are alternate angles, so z is equals to 28 degree. So we'll continue this exercise in the next class. Thank you.